All right, AI government contractors. Today's video is going to be really different. We are not going to be talking about ChatGPT like we have always been. And if you have been following the channel, you know that I have been testing Claude AI. And like I have said, I don't bring anything to the channel if I don't think it's something that you can begin to use immediately. So, first, right off the bat, I have to let you know that I paid for a subscription of Claude AI. So let me get my face to be smaller here. So as you can see, I have the professional plan. Okay, so I don't actually remember the pricing, but let's get the pricing so you can know. And you don't have to take the step on getting this yet. Just watch this video and make an assessment. But the professional plan is $20. I'm here in Canada, so it was $28. It's $20, similar to that of ChatGPT. So today we are going to be breaking down a solicitation and assessing how Claude AI actually breaks things down live. Like this is going to be unedited. I just started recording and you're going to get a full on live reaction. We're going to be using the same systems from government contracting without tears, the same prompts, and seeing how that's going to work out. But right off the bat, one of the things I noticed with Claude AI is that there are three types. So this is the sonnet, the opus, and the haiku. And I hope I pronounced that correctly. But this excels at writing and complex tasks. This fastest model for daily tasks. So writing and complex tasks, fastest model, and then this is the most intelligent model. We're going to use the fastest model to work on our project today. And based on the solicitation I'm looking for, I actually want to go into something like hand washing stations. Let's look at hand washing stations. So we have Sequoia portable toilet hand washing station services 14th. Let's see if we can just get something that is, even though this is an example, but let's see if we can get something that's a bit more far off. No, nothing? Okay. See, I'm thinking of a no services. Hmm. Excel training services. Excel training services. Okay, let's look into this. Oh wow, we have a short description. Very short description. This is professional services and management development training. Okay, so for our professional services people out there, this might be something you would find interesting. And we only have one document, and I really like that because it screams simplicity to me. So when we grab that document with, and by the way, even without a free plan, you can still attach documents to Claude AI. So I've attached a document there. Right now, I'm going to go into the ebook, Government Contracting Without Tears, which you can actually purchase School Group. I'm going to go straight into the book and use the prompts to break down this SOL. So this is the prompts that we have here. Let's see what we produce. Okay, so what's the scope of work? The contractor shall provide comprehensive Microsoft Excel training for the VA's community engagement and reintegration service staff, covering three levels of proficiency: level 1, level 2, and level 3. Okay, interesting. The training will cover topics such as Excel interface, data management, formulas and functions, advanced data analysis, macros, and automation. The training will be delivered through interactive live webinar sessions with hands-on exercises. The contractor is responsible for developing and delivering training materials, providing technical support, and issuing certificates of completion to participants. Guys, one thing I'm noticing right off the bat is just how straight to the point, succinct this is. ChatGPT can go into some language foolery, but here I'm just noticing that this is straight to the point. What are the technical specifications? The training shall be conducted through live webinar sessions. Okay, the contractor must be an experienced facilitator in Microsoft Excel to deliver the training. The contractor must provide a link for each training session to the CERS training specialist to support participants with any technical issues. The training materials, including presentation slides, handouts, and additional resources, must be provided to the CERS training specialist 1 week in advance of the session. Okay, I'm just going to do this here. Down. Performance metrics, timeline, and milestones. Let's look at the evaluation criteria. So the procurement is being conducted under FAR Part 13 procedures, and the government intends to award a contract to the responsible offerer with the lowest price and doesn't exceed the available funding. In addition to the general standards of responsibility, the government has specified a special standard of responsibility related to the offerer's experience providing Excel training services. Offerer must who fail to meet the special standards of responsibility will not be eligible. Okay, let's do this. I want to test this a bit more. Write out. I'm going to ask you to give me a detailed statement of work. So my prompt will go something like this. Think like a middle looking to bid on this contract. Write out a detailed statement of to help get a quote. So let's see what it does here. Detailed statement of work. Statement of work. The objective of this subcontract is to provide comprehensive Microsoft Excel training to the VA community engagement and reintegration service staff, covering 3 levels of proficiency as outlined in the primary contract statement of work. So Excel level 1, uh, develop and deliver an interactive live webinar training session covering Excel basics, including the interface, data entry and management, fundamental formulas and functions, and basic charting. Each training session shall be a full day and accommodate up to 20 participants. Provide technical support to participants during the session to ensure seamless delivery. Develop comprehensive training materials, including presentation slides, exercise workbooks, and supplementary resources, and provide them to the primary contractor 1 week prior to the session. And then we have level 2, we have level 3. I don't want to go into reading everything, but evaluation and reporting. Develop evaluation and feedback tools to assess the effectiveness of the training session. Provide detailed reports. Guys, this is so detailed. And I'm really enjoying the language of Claude AI. It seems to be really on ball and really precise. But let's test it a bit more. Let's try to use this 5-step beginner friendly solicitation guide, breakdown guide. Let's get some prompts from this and see if that changes anything. I want to find out, you know, what exactly are the submission requirements. And guys, you're going to be seeing more videos on this because I have really been enjoying the interface. I've been enjoying the outputs. So based on the information provided in the solicitation, here are the key details regarding the proposal submission. Deadline of submission. So the deadline is the 28th of August. Proposal format and delivery. All documents shall be sent via email. It's the contractor's responsibility to ensure successful receipt of all required documents prior to the closing date of the solicitation. What is this? So offerers shall submit their proposal in the following format. A cover letter. Provide a brief introduction and overview of the proposed services. B. Technical proposal. A detailed statement of work. Detailed statement of work. Outline the subcontractor's understanding of the scope of services and approach to delivering the required Excel training. Qualification and experience. Describe the contractor's relevant experience in providing Excel training, including past performance information and key personnel qualification. 3. Training methodology and approach. Guys, this is actually really detailed, picking out everything from the documents that we have attached to it. Now I'm curious. Let's see what kind of companies can do the work. We're still following the same system that we used on ChatGPT. What kind of company can fulfill the job? What type of companies? What kind of companies can fulfill the job? Okay, so we have professional training and development firms. I want to see if Claude AI can search the web. So search the web and find a few within a 50-mile radius of the sun. This is actually really interesting. Being able to use this tool, and let's see if it will actually give us. Okay, well, it is giving us Santa Monica, 60-mile radius. Okay, so add a link to their website. Let's see if it can do that. These are all the things that ChatGPT can do. So I'm testing to see, can it also do this as well? Claude AI. I'm really enjoying using this tool. I have to tell you this. I'm not pushing you to go get this, but it just seems to be a lot more succinct. And Claude does not have internet access. Links provided may not be accurate. Okay, thanks for letting us know. So Claude doesn't have internet access. Let's see. So this can't be real. Okay, this is at CRM trading firm. Let's see other tradings that they have. Is it just CRM trading? Microsoft Office, and I guess yes, that's where we have the Excel. So this company, in a way, they do. So first of all, Claude AI was really honest with us, let us know that it doesn't have internet access, but it did manage to create some links, and one of the links didn't work, the other one worked. I did check the rest because I want to go into perhaps. Let's see if it can. Let's see if Cloud AI would be able to, create out, draw out our table of content. So, based on the evaluation criteria, write out a concise table of content that will cover all the necessary components of the contract. Okay, so we have a nice table of content. I think, guys, if you've watched the prior videos, you would notice ChatGPT goes on and adds a lot of fluff, but Claude AI seems to be really on the ball when it comes to being concise. So look at that executive summary. It says provide a high level overview of the subcontractor's proposed approach. Okay, so I want to correct something here. I'm going to let it know. I want to correct something. I am the prime contractor and I will part with Ace. Let's see if he gets the message and change verbiage in. Okay, let's. Oh wow! So it started adding it to the table of content. I need the table of contents to be short, without too many subheads and easy to navigate. So, guys, this is Claude AI. Look at that. Now it's giving us sort. Let's see what we have. Executive summary, prime contractor. Okay, so only add info from the evaluation criteria to the table of contents. Perfect. I think that will be the full table of content there. Cost proposal appendices. You don't need too much. Now, let's see if the prompt from government contracting without tiers in part 4 would actually work to write us a nice executive summary following just a few rules: specificity, context, and clarity. So this says begin to write the proposal starting with executive summary. Be sure to align the company information below with relevant aspect of the government solicitation attached. Cool. I'm going to add a few sentences. This proposal is for Godwin GovCard. Okay, let's do that. We will partner with, I'm going to grab the link of the subcontract. They currently can't access the internet, so this may not actually work. Wow. So this, guys, we're seeing what a potential limitation is here. We're partnered with this company and we will not disclose their name, but we will focus on the value we provide. Okay, let's see what goes on here. As the prime contractor, Godwin GovCard is pleased to submit the proposal for the VA Greater Los Angeles healthcare system for the provision of comprehensive Microsoft Excel training services, leveraging our extensive experience in delivering high quality workforce development programs. We have partnered with a leading training provider of offer a tailored solution that meets the needs of the VA community engagement and reintegration service staff. Our proposed approach combined Godwin GovCon's proven program management capabilities with the subject matter experts and training methodologies of the subcontractor. Together, we are confident in our ability to exceed the government's requirements and provide an exceptional learning experience for the CERS personnel across all three levels of Excel proficiency. Key highlight: a deep understanding of the scope of work and training objectives outlined in the solicitation. Guys, I'm really liking this output. Few things that we can work on here and there. What I am noticing with Claude AI right now, just right off the bat, is that it is really on task. It's succinct. So, a seasoned team of certified Excel traders and instructional designers, a collaborative project manager approach to ensure seamless coordination and timely delivery. It's really on the ball. It goes into the company background, which I may not really need, but let's see what it said. Godwin GovCard is a leading provider of workforce development and training services with a strong track record of delivering customized programs to government agencies and public sector organizations. For over a decade, we have leveraged our expertise in instructional design. So all this, I don't know where I got this from, but as I've always said, what your AI tool produces is not set in stone. You can always change it, you can always edit, you can always format. But so far, from what I'm seeing here, uh, Claude AI is really succinct, but this is a limitation. Not being able to connect to the internet gives us that limitation where with ChatGPT, we could easily begin to draw out information from our subcontractor's website and add it to our proposal, but we can't do that here. And like guys, like I said, I've done a little bit of testing, but no real deep research. I wanted to give you sort of a live coverage of what it is like using this. And I'm going to do more research and see if I can build out a system that's going to make this really easy. I love the outputs already. You can let me know if you agree, if you see that these outputs are more succinct. Let's try to change the tone to more professional, confident. Let's just throw something out. Okay, Godwin GovCard is pleased to submit this proposal to the VA Greater Los Angeles Healthcare System for provision of comprehensive Microsoft training services. As an experienced provider of workforce development programs, we have trained with leading. It seems like it's the same. Oh, it's different. As a prime contractor, Godwin GovCard is pleased to submit this proposal. But here it's Godwin GovCard is pleased to submit this proposal, which I like better. It's just straight to the point. So our proposal approach combines Godwin GovCard's robust program management capabilities with the subject matter expert of and training methodologies of our subcontractor. Guys, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I just really wanted to get this video out there to show you that Claude AI is a pretty good option, stamped and verified by the AI government contractor himself. I would love you to join the Skool group. We are growing rapidly. Uh, a couple 10, 20 people every single day, and you know what, I can't wait to have you there. We have 8 more days till our free seminar. It's going to be incredible. I'm going to show you how to write full-on proposals from start to finish, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.